A challenge to trade toys for food. Fan challenged me to try coffee concentrate today. For us modelers, coffee is essential every day. When drinking coffee, I only have it without sugar. Adding sugar is too tacky. After taking photos, let's go home. This is still using the Bambu Lab H2D printer. Bought 0.2mm nozzles to print mini models. The details are much better. Strongly suggest Bambu Lab releases 0.1mm nozzle. Then, print fine small parts or something. Details of mini figures will definitely improve. Yours. Milk. This time, I made a change to the exterior wall, to make it look less monotonous overall. This is a little clever idea of mine. Hello, boss. It's like this. Can I exchange a toy for a cup of coffee here? Toys, right? Toys. This doesn't seem right. Actually, it's a 3D printed toy I made myself. You made it yourself, right? Can you show me? Sure, okay. This is it. Is this our shop? Yes. I'm asking you. Go to the restaurant? Right. So amazing. Made it yourself. Yes. Oh, this layout is exactly the same as our shop. Oh, this took a lot of work. How long did it take? It took less than a week. Not bad. This is straightforward. Good, thank you, boss, especially this. Thanks a lot. Yes, okay, so, what would you like to drink today? Let me think. Anything is fine. Just a little. Anything is okay. Do you usually prefer Americano or latte? I usually drink espresso. Drink espresso. Yes. So impressive, because I never add sugar to these drinks. I feel it's very tacky to add that. But the strong aroma can be very bitter. Hey. That's okay. I lost the taste for bitterness as a kid. Ate coffee beans like M&Ms in elementary school. Yes. Then I'll make one for you first. Sure, you try it first. Okay. Then you go ahead and do it. Alright. Good. Thank you, boss. This cup is a bit small. Hey. Right, we've added 3 extra portions for free. Okay. The espresso amount is just a bit less. Okay. Thank you. If anyone drinks a sip of this milk today, don't call me a bitter drinker anymore. Call me a little sweetheart drinker. Just a little taste. Drip by drip. A bit silly, too silly a bit, too cold. My espresso is the crisp one. It's hot. Keep going, guys. Still very fragrant. Not bitter at all. It's a 3-meter thing. Add some ingredients. This bitterness isn't quite right. Bitterness. Hello. The taste is right, guys. Your phone itself, and then what you seem to say. A sip of coffee, a bite of melon. Refreshing and cooling effect is great. Axie tells the ghost, Axie. Sweet melon. You hit. I'm drunk, guys. Mine. Pregnant woman. Mine. Can't take it, guys. This has gone bad. Watch the chat, don't sing. I'll upload this model to Tutu's Mac Word community. Interested friends can download and print it to try. Hello. I've packed a dessert for you. Just saw you. Thank you, boss. Thanks, boss. I've processed an online top-up for you here. So next time you're free, you can come by for coffee. Thank you, boss. Thank you, boss. Alright. Bye 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 bye.